Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share your screen when you play the games and basically stream it. So all you have to do is go on the game, or you can be here on PlayStation 2 on home screen. Then you're going to click share button at the top on your controller. Once you will click on it, as you can see, you can take a screenshot, start recording, but you can also go ahead and share a screen. So you're going to click on this button here. Then you're going to choose the party name. You're going to enter the name. Then you're going to choose the party type. So there's open party where your friends can join. Or you can do this like a closed party and only invite the players, just like so. And after that, you want to go ahead and select to invite the players. After that, you're going to choose a player limit if you want, and after that all you have to do is click start share screen and it will start sharing. Now if you want to go ahead and stop it, click the share button again, and then you're gonna click on share screen, and then you're gonna stop this share screen and leave the party. And that's pretty much it, how you stop it and start sharing. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.